Hello gang, hello friends, hello gang friends. Welcome back, thank you for joining me today. I hope this video finds you well. Are you well? I hope you're well. If you're new, hi, my name is Jo and I do nail stuff. She does stuff for nail stuff, and the stuff she does for nails is done with nail stuff and stuff for nails, yeah. It is day 4 of the Madame Glam Advent Calendar and my Advent Accent Adventure. So let's have a look and see what is inside. Fingerprint covered box number 4, numero 4. Today, oh, Gang Friends hoodie reflection. I have a reddish one. You haven't seen it yet. Where was I? Today we have a big box and it is a lamp, a mini LED lamp. I have one from the last year's calendar and I love it. I keep it in my bedroom because when I'm feeling like a lazy bitch and I don't want to sit at my desk and do my nails, I get a tray and everything I need and I sit and do my nails in bed while watching a film. And I find this is just a lot easier than lugging my whole big lamp down. And if you're traveling as well, it will be a good thing. Anywho, look how cute it is. It's stinking adorable. It's got little festive doodles on it. Are they different from last year's one? I'm going to get up off my bum and have a look because it's in my drawer. Oh, it is different from last year's one. Last year's one had random little cups of stuff and holly leaves and snowflakes. It is a different pattern to last year. There you go. I'm going to lie back down now. And it has a USB cable to plug it in with and little legs that you pull out. So we're going to be doing design, not using the lamp for the design, but using it to cure it just to show that it works perfectly fine. Somebody asked once before if I used them and if they were fine for, doing a proper service, and they absolutely are. So we're taking Dream Diamonds, which is a new colour to me, and this one, which I probably showed the colour of, but I wasn't looking. But it's also a Madame Glam colour. So we're going to do a coat of that, just one coat, and then I'm going over it with Dream Diamonds. You can get full coverage with this polish in 2 coats, but because I want the other one to have some of the underneath plain colour on it, I thought if I put it over that, it will be the same kind of hue type. Yeah, but look at this. Oh, it's so hollow. I love it. And then on this one, we are going to, well, I didn't really know what I was going to do, to be honest. This one was a kind of a makeup as you go along one. So I'm starting to paint a French, and I was thinking V French, and then I thought there's just not enough of the sparkly one showing on this nail. We want more sparkles. So I decided to kind of curve out the center. So I haven't cured it yet. And I've taken the sides up really high as well. And then I know that I did 2 coats of this because I'm not putting loads of product on my brush, because I want to try and get a crisp French line. Although it doesn't really matter how crisp it is because we are covering it with things. I was only doing it thin with the Dream Diamonds, so I will do a second coat on there. Could have used a detail brush to mark out the French, but just couldn't be asked. So I'm going to pop both of those under the new lamp, and then we will fast forward just to show that that's how I'm curing these. This is how I show a lamp in use. There's no other way, is there? And then, then we will, what? Oh, I think I'm matte topping. No, I'm not. I'm base coating. I can't remember. I filmed a bunch of these in the same day and then I've edited a bunch of them and I just can't remember what I was doing, but we'll find out in a sec depending on what I do next. I'm pretty sure that I'm base coating them because I want to paint on them, but even though that glitter, once it had cured, it wasn't bumpy, a top coat cover it fine, there were no pokey uppy bits. It was base coat. I'm wiping it and buffing it. There weren't any bumpy bits, but I still, because I want to paint on it, I still wanted a super smooth surface. So I base coated, wiped and buffed. You could wipe and buff the colour layer, but with a glitter polish, if I'm going to wipe and buff, I want to protect the glitter first. Just protect the glitter, save the glitters. So I based and cured and wiped and buffed. And now we are using the gel paint to do some icicles. I did some icicles. I filmed a set. It did start out as an Advent Accent adventure video, but I really liked it, so I thought let's make a full set out of it. I'm not sure when I'll post it. Soon. It's snowflakes, so fucking it has to be soon. And I did icicles and that, didn't like them, so I'm trying to redeem myself. So I've done a line across the top and then just wisped down, take some pressure off your brush, and as you get towards the bottom, so they wisp. And then I'm thickening up the top parts into a sort of V, and then we'll just curve in between each one. Am I really shouting? I'm sorry. I'll try and I can turn the volume down. So can you. If you don't like my ramblings, you can turn the volume down. That's fine. I don't mind. And that's what we're doing with that one. I feel like because these are shorter videos than normal, and because my brain is working a million miles an hour to get them done, I feel like I have to speak really quickly. But regardless of the speed I speak, it's still going to be the same length of video, and I'm still going to have to speak for the same amount of time. So I just need to calm the fuck down, Joseph. And I'm going to, on the sides here, I never know how to end, like when I do icicles or blood drips, what to do on the side. With the icicles, it's fine. I'm just going to pull it down to a point on the side, make sure my white bits are nice and crisp and clean. And then, I messed this up. I'm outlining the smile line, that's what it's called, with the white gel paint. And then I'm doing icicles coming down for it, but I kind of messed this up. I've not done an icicle smile line before, and I would change a few things, and when we get to them, I'll tell you. So I'm bringing it down here. Probably shouldn't have gone as long with the icicles. And this bit at the side here, I didn't really know what to do. If it was a wider French, so not as deep and vertical, a softer curve, might have looked better. But this bit here, I bring down this bit here where I'm curving in between each icicle. I bring it down too far, I think. And then this bit here is just a bit of a mess. And I think at the very top corners, I can't remember what I end up doing there, but it didn't look great. I think I just ended up filling it in. Watch and see. Stick around. We're going to add an icicle-y bit there. And then I think I do fill in the very top corner with white. Does it look alright? I don't know. What do you think? I just don't think I should have done this bit that I'm doing now, joining them up as thick, because it's kind of, I don't know. Anyway, so that's what we're doing. How are you all? You all okay? There's been someone has taken the MISSJO's profile picture on here, so my logo with the purpley hollow background, and created an account called Text Me and then a number, and has been commenting saying that congratulations, you've won something or another. Just ignore them, it's not me. It's just someone lying to you all. So I'm sorry about that. I have reported them, but we'll see what happens. So I've cured the gel paint, and now I'm taking some Macart rhinestone gem gel glue, and I'm going to outline the smile line, because I did think about leaving as was. That was the plan, but then I thought, it's Christmas, let's add some more bling. So I've done a big kite-shaped one in the middle, and then I'm going to pop on some little blue ones and then get them all neat before they go into the lamp. So, oh, and I'm out of shot a bit as well. I have zoomed in a bit more as I film, so I'm trying to get used to not moving around as much, because if I do, I go out of shot. So we'll do the same along the top. Just put some of that gem gel glue on there, pop some crystals on, and then we will cure, get that shit in the lamp. And then we're going to top with the Madame Glam top coat that we got on day 2, making sure to seal in all around our crystals. On a person, obviously there's side balls and there's just human in the way on the sides, so you'd use a detail brush to get up in the corners. And then, I'm not sure if I got it on camera, but before curing this, I took a velvet, or was it matte, one or the other, and yes, so that bit is, the shiny is on the bottom bit, the top bit doesn't have shiny, the top bit has matte top coat, the plain blue bit. You can flash cure the one part before doing the other, but I just did them at the same time because the crystals were acting as a barrier. And then we're using top coat on this one as well. Look at that sparkly blue. Oh my word, the December collection arrived with me today and it's amazing. When am I going to fit this in? I don't know, but I'll show you soon. I hope you like these two. They're a bit extra, but I'm okay with that. If ever there's a time to be extra sparkly and extra crystally, it's Christmas. So this is it with the flash on, and that is day 4. So I did all of that using the little lamp that came with day 4. If you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and come back tomorrow for the next one. I appreciate you being here. See you then. Bye-bye.